Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be looking at the UAG Scout for the Google Pixel 6a. I picked this up at Best Buy. It was $19.99. I believe regular price was $29.99. I think it was like $10 off. Don't quote me on that though. I don't exactly remember, but I know that I paid $19.99 for it at Best Buy earlier today. So, big fan of UAG cases. This one is just a simple hard plastic. It's kind of a rubberized inside, but it's a pretty hard plastic back. It is still slightly flexible, but it's not like rubbery, I wouldn't say. So here is my Pixel 6a, which I also just picked up today. I'm gonna go ahead and just snap it in there. Nice kind of squared edges right there, like that. Big cutout for the camera bar, your flash, all that kind of stuff. We do have a microphone cutout on the top right there. Slight notch up here for your earpiece. And then of course your cutouts down here. It looks like the corners, either that's a cutout for like a microphone or something. I don't know if that goes all the way through. It looks like it's probably just something to do with the speakers, but you got that right here, and then these right here. And button cutouts right here, so you got your power button and your volume right here. So very easy to find. The power button has like two little notches on it, and then you got your plus and minus on the volume right there, and then nothing over here on this side. Just got the UAG branding on the bottom there, which is very nice. And then of course a nice big cutout for your USB-C port. You can probably plug in any charger you've got in there. Shouldn't have any issues with that. Feels very good. Definitely gonna have some drop protection. Screen is raised, does have a raised lip on it, so if you put it face down, you're not going to be placing it directly on the screen unless you obviously exceed that little lip right there on like a rock or something like that. But other than that, very nice case from UAG, especially for the $19.99 price point, as UAG cases are usually $40, $50, even upwards of $80 on flagships like iPhones and the S22s and stuff like that. They can get pretty pricey. So to see a $19.99 offering here for the Pixel 6a is very nice from UAG. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.